Alright, good morning everybody. Start doing some little puppy whines with me, like you're a really, really sad puppy. That'll help us be nice and brave. Go ahead and pull out Psalm 150, please, and we're going to look at page 3 in measure 11. So who can tell me measure 11? Who has the melody? Bases. Why do you know that? Because they have words. It's in Latin. Okay, measure 12. Who has the melody? Tenors. Perfect. Measure 13. Who has the melody?
Altos.
Not quite, Tyler. It's another women's part. The sopranos. And measure 14. Who has it?
Altos.
Altos and sopranos. And measure 15, we have altos and sopranos again. So let's start with the basses. We're gonna move through that little section that I just talked about, but you are only going to sing when you have the melody. I actually might like young piano. I'm really sorry. I didn't realize that.
I have my folder.
We're going to start in measure 11. And we're going to start All right. And I'd like everyone to do this movement with me because we want this to be bouncy because we know those accent marks, the little tiny sideways carrots. I don't know what happened to the little carrot, but they're accent marks. And so this is going to help us be really free. And here's our tempo and basses. Where are you? Raise your hands. Perfect. You guys, you're going to start this off. Ready? Here we go. Okay, perfect. Off. Let's do the tenors in measure 12. Ready? Here we go. One more time. Here we go. Nicely done. Turn the page, sopranos. 1, 2, here we go. One more time, here we go. Perfect. Next measure, altos. Ready, here we go. Oh, altos, where were you? Let's try again. Okay, here's our note. All right, here we go. Ooh, one more time. That was so good and difficult. Oh, let's try again. Ready, here we go. Beautiful. Sopranos, that same measure. Let's try again. And let's sit up and have really beautiful posture. That way we can get those higher notes. All right. Ready, sopranos, here we go. One more time. Ready, here we go. Perfect. Sopranos and altos together, that measure. All right, let's do it maybe a little slower, okay? And let's do our movements, just the parts that are singing though. All right, here we go. Nicely done. Okay, so let's go ahead and move through those parts if we can. Just the melody sings. So we're gonna go basses, tenors, sopranos, and then soprano altos, but without stopping. So it's going to be the flow of the piece, but you're only going to be hearing or singing the melody part. And you can play with this. It's going to be great. Okay, so basses go first, tenors, sopranos, soprano altos. Okay, ready? Here we go. Perfect. Tenors. Sopranos.
same thing from the very beginning.
Okay,
Double
sure.
melody. Like starting at 3, whoever's got the melody.
Great, 1, 2, 3. Sopranos have the melody because you are singing beautifully in Latin. And ladies, when we're up kind of on the top, just keep thinking of each repeated pitch as being maybe even a little bit higher than before. You're not actually going to sing it higher. It's just going to feel higher in your head. That way we make sure we're on pitch. Okay, what's our pitch again?
So the non-law lines.
Okay, so all of the melody lines. So if you are singing in Latin and it's your turn, keep following along and sing when it's your turn. All right, sopranos, ready, here we go. Soprano, alto. Rest, rest, basses.
So the next person might want to fix that.
Okay.
So good stopping point, good rehearsal technique.